Okay, sorry about that. My camera battery died. She's still alive. Hi, Paige. Not happy. She's locked in her stall for the first time ever, and she's just not a happy camper about it. She lost a bunch of her undercoat, and I couldn't leave her out in this. So, there you go. Did you survive? There's more coming. Hopefully I'll get to let you out tonight when it stops. Well, that's good. I'm glad she's okay. This is her makeshift door. I don't have a door on the outside of her stall yet. There's some cracks, but at least it stops most of the snow from blowing in. There's some on the ground. Hey, baby. Oh, you're a good girl.